Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicwave.com. It's been a while that I made a video, a general video for everyone. I do make videos for my subscribers, but anyway, uh, you all know that in Miami, Florida, we had a big storm last week, so I wasn't active very much last week. But we got the power on Wednesday, so I started doing something from Wednesday. So let's get started. I just want to show you a couple of things that what you could have done if you subscribe my service, my website, subscription. So let's get started to the point. This is USDX weekly chart, US dollar index. I made this chart in January 2017. And this is how I said that it's going to drop. Even though it's going up powerfully, but I was the only one who said, no, this is it. This is the end of it, and we're gonna drop. And I'm showing, you can see it here from here. I'm showing all the way down to 91.71. That's a lot, right? And then a lot of people say you're crazy and this and that. It's just, okay, this is my analysis and my knowledge and my technical analysis telling me. And this is how it's going to come. It will come down here to this white band here, these two levels, big levels. Then it will go back to this level. And then from there, it's going to drop all the way down to 91.71. That was my target. This is the low, 91.71. And this is 91.73. So you can see this yellow line. So what happened to this chart? And dropping this US dollar index coming down means USD will be dropping and USD will be getting weaker. And now if USD gets weaker, the pairs where the USD is on the right hand side, for example, Euro USD, Pound USD, Aussie USD, they will go up. And those are the one that have USD on the left hand side. For example, USD CAD, USD franc, USD yen, they will go down because of the USD weakness. So let's see what happened to this chart first. This is the current chart I recorded on 12th September. Look how it came to this band rather quickly. I was hoping that it will come slanted, but it came down in fast, speedy fashion. And then it went up exactly where I said it's going to go. And then drop all the way down to where? Isn't it amazing? After 8 months, 9 months, and 9 months before I said that this is what's going to happen. And it happened. 91.71 is touched, and we went up again just to say hello to this area which we broke early, 93.32, and that's where we stand right now. Where it's going to go, I know, and I already made the chart and I sent that to my subscribers. So this is how powerful it is as my analysis, and you could do a lot with that, knowing it doesn't matter which entry system you're using and which pair you want to trade, because USD has 4 or 5 different pairs. If you love Pound USD, yeah, fine, USD weakness, you can use that. Euro, of course, USD CAD, for example, let's see, based on this, the same time I made this USD CAD chart, okay, you can see January 9th, right? And it was there, and it is a perfect setup as well. A bad pattern, possible butterfly pattern, actually, not bad pattern, right? So harmonic patterns, I teach everything, harmonic patterns, Elliott wave, this and that, all the knowledge that I have in my webinars. So now you can see that this is my calculation, that it has touched 38%, and then from there it's going to drop for point D to 127. Okay, it's a long drop. From 36, I'm saying that we're going to go to 11. 1.36 to 1.11. Again, people say you're crazy. I says, okay, no problem. But so far, what happened to this chart is this. Okay, more than halfway in a straight line we have come. We are at 21 now, 1,000 pip more, and now we'll have a touchdown. This is how it is. This is my analysis, and think about what you could have done with that. And this is, it looks like a straight line, but on a daily chart, a 4-hour, and especially my 40-minute charts and 20-minute charts, you get a lot of opportunities to go short while it's dropping. So as long as you know the bigger picture that where this thing is happening, you don't get caught in retracement. Okay, so it's not going to happen that you make an entry and then boom, it goes a little bit positive and then boom, it goes negative in your on your account. Uh, Going with the direction is that if you make a wrong entry, it may go negative a little bit, and then it will turn it positive because you are in the direction of the bigger trend. That's the main key. And the second of all is that my entry system, which I call Magic Ivy system, it requires an SL 25 pip, period. Okay, you make an entry with the setup and put your SL there 25 pip. If you make a wrong entry, it will hit the SL 25 pip, gone, that's it. But I'm going to show you that if you are right, what happens. Okay, in a minute, I'll show you. So, if you, once in a while, if you make a wrong entry, it doesn't mean anything at all, as long as you are with the right track. So this is USD CAD, and then let me show you something else that, why I have three charts of USD CAD. Okay, whatever. Similarly, based on the same chart, I made Euro USD January 9. You see that? And I said it's going to go from here to there. For wave A, this is Elliott wave calculation. I just showed you USD CAD harmonic pattern. This is I'm showing you Elliott wave count and Elliott wave correction wave starting from here to and going to this area here. Final target was this yellow line, 2041. Okay. Look what happened to this chart. Where are we? 2041. This is this white line. We came and we kissed that line in a straight line. We went up, not straight, but we went up here, a couple of wobbles, and these are wobbles are gold mines because this is the one that give us the setup, right? Every time we need a small retracement on a 40-minute chart or 20-minute chart, we make an entry going to the upside, and I'll show you the Magic Ivy system how it works. So this is Euro USD. Similarly, look, I'm not going to show each and every pair, but few. Right? Euro yen daily, not daily. It's a weekly chart. Okay, based on yen weakness, I says, and euro strength as well. I track these indexes as well, individual indexes. So from here, I said this is the calculation, and this is where we're gonna go. So where we are now on this one, as of 12 September. No, this is not the one. This is the one. See that? That was the trade. I'm going to show you again. So this is on the 13th September. I recorded from here. I said we're going to go up, and you can see it's from 119. Right now it's on 31. So almost 1,200 pip went up in a straight line. And doing that, this is how we go. I just showed you. I'm going to show it again. Where is it? The trade I did on the Wednesday. I could have gone short here, but why? What's the need for that? Go with the trend. That's it. Simple as that. Because if you make a mistake, then it doesn't mean anything. Because see, this was my entry. I made an entry here because it's a strong level, 29.75. 25 pip SL hit, and after that, how many pip? Trade is still on. So does it mean anything to you hitting the SL one or two times? No. When the indicator is all the way down, it started to go up, blue candles from a level. I made an entry, came down, and then after that, start going to the upside without any problem, 180 pip trade. Okay. And similarly, let me see if I have opened more charts. For example, this GJ chart, today's trade. This was the entries I'm just showing, but I didn't take them because of the hurricane preparation and all that mess we had. But this is the one. And by the way, on the 12th, I sent out a daily chart showing that we're gonna bounce and go up big time to my subscribers. Okay, a daily chart of pound yen that we're gonna go up after this move. And when we get another entry, I made it, and here still 170 pip. So this is how. And let me see if I have another one. And yen, all of these yen trades. For example, I think I have a newsy. I even did a newsy yen. Nobody traded this pair, but I did that because based on the yen index weakness, yen weakness, yen is getting weaker. all the yen pair is going to go up. Oh, and you can just pick and choose which one is going faster. That's all. Pound yen went up very fast because pound is getting strong as well. Okay, and then so this is the New Zealand. You see how beautiful it went, right? And similarly, I have this yen index. For example, I show you that this is yen index weekly chart. I mean, 40-minute chart. Sorry, I have the weekly chart that shows that it was going up from the bottom, and then it's going to go up a long way to the upside. Okay, it's going to get a lot weaker. But step by step, I predicted this down move, I predicted this up move, and then I said, we're going to go up from here to here. Look what happened to this chart. And if you know these things, what's the problem then? There is no problem. Just you have to make a entry on the right time, and that's about it. And then you can get I just showed you euro yen 180 pip, pound yen 170 pip, New Zealand 70 pip, because of this weakness coming in. The pound index, yen index going up, yen is getting weaker. Okay, so all the yen pair is going to go up. Similarly, with the USD weakness and pound strength, all of a sudden it came because I think the talk between the Britain and the European Union got postponed or something, and it triggered strength in pound. Look what happened. This pound trade, I had all of these entries I'm showing. I miss all of them because of this again, this hurricane mess. But I did this one on the 12th, Wednesday, and I think I have another one today, which is still going. I don't know if I closed it or not, but I think I closed it. This is today. Okay, and this is because of the system. See, the system is that blue candles retracing a little bit, red, and this indicator comes all the way down, and then as soon as you have a couple of blue candles, you open a trade. This is how it is, and this is the one that once you have a nice level or something, and it is basically, if it is coming down below this wave on 20-minute, it is going for a 40-minute chart setup, and this is where the 40-minute chart was ready, just like this. Then I took it when the color changes, the candle changes, and here also you can see the indicator is turning to the upside. But I teach on my webinar, I not only give you all the indicators, all of these, every single thing. I give you the template and the EA, which start beeping when you have this indicator is all the way down, and then chart is set up just like that. In this area, it will start beeping. So all you have to do is just come and sit tight, and then once the blue candle starts, you make an entry. That's it. That EA it's called it's an EA expert advisor, but it's an alarm. It will not open trade automatically. I have that version, but that version is only for me. I don't give it to no one. Okay, but yeah. So pound. So I showed you, pound USD, Euro USD, so many trades, and the beauty is this: the setup. That's the higher time frame analysis. Once you have that, it becomes very easy. This is not the only one. You go on my website, you will see how many trades are there. Just like the same setup again and again and again. Repeat, rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat. All you gotta do is just be ready on the volume time. When the volume comes in, that's the only. You will see the setup outside my trading timing or volume timing. We're not supposed to take those trades. Only when the volume is there. You need to know what is that time, which session is the most powerful session where the volume is. When the volume is there, the price will move and the setup will work out. Okay, so if you subscribe, if you want to go, subscribe, then go to my website, myforexmagicweb.com, and subscribe there, and then I'll send out all the indicators, templates, and the charts. You have every single pair, a weekly and a monthly chart where that thing is going. Okay, you have the chart already. One or two chart goes against me sometimes because of this news comes against my chart. Like pound. I was expecting pound weakness, but all of a sudden that big news came out, just the opposite, and then pound start getting strong. So I will reanalyze that but it's not that I lost on something. It's just I knew that if it's opposite, then what to do? Pound USD go long, pound yen go long, pound Aussie go long, because pound is strength. Okay, if the news comes, fine. But most of the time, my charts, I just showed you Euro Yen, USDX, USD CAD. They months and months they will go in the same direction as a trend, and then all you got to do is take entries from 40-minute and mainly from 20-minute every single day. You open the trade every single day, you close, and it retraces, and then give you again new entries. For example, see, there was a trade, then retracement, entry, trade, retracement, trade, retracement, trade, retracement, trade, and we're gonna retrace again in a slow time, and the volume time again. You have a nice trade. Every pair has a daily range where specific amount of pip, more or less, not exactly all the time, but more or less. Like if pound yen say have a 200 pip daily range, then if you make an entry, start counting the pipage, that how much it already has traveled and how much is left. For example, by the time you make an entry, the pair has travel maybe 50, 60 pip. Let's say 50 pip, right? So if the daily range is 200, you have 150 more pips to go or more. If you have a nice news to support and this and that, then it might go more than 200 pips. So if you make an entry, at least that is going to go for 150 pips. So you don't close the trade early. You hold on to it. Okay. Even though if it goes 75 pip and all of a sudden it starts dropping, it is just dropping, just like a profit taking. That's it. A lot of people at 50, 60 pip profit, they will just close their trade, afraid that the market is going to take back the profit. But no, that's not going to happen. That doesn't happen. You see, it goes up, it comes down, and then go up, and it's like that, and until it reaches the daily range. But these are the things that I teach in my webinar. I do webinar on Wednesday 4 o'clock and Sunday 4 o'clock. Sunday for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday daytime. Then Wednesday 4 o'clock for Wednesday night, Thursday, and Friday day. I not only cover the whole market analysis, that what has happened, what did I say before, and what happened, and what is going to happen. Okay, so I prepare you 2 times a week, and you have all the support and everything. Like I give you the system, the analysis, charts, the not the 40 and 20-minute charts, but I give you all the tools to open it. Okay, the video instructions there, that how to open these charts. These are not regular candles; these are different candles, and you need a special indicator for that, which I will provide you. And I will provide you EA, where you can put an EA on the 1-minute chart, on a 20-minute chart, sorry. And then when the setup is there, it will start beeping. Okay, so you get every single thing. And plus, if you don't understand what, how it is, what it is, and if you have difficulty uploading those charts or preparing the chart, then I'll get into your computer through TeamViewer program. And then I'll set it up. I'll have someone set it up, all those charts for you. Okay, so this is how it is. If you like what you saw, just go on my website, subscribe, and start trading. Today is Friday, sorry, right? So you have time, get the subscription. I'll send out everything then over the weekend, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Saturday, Sunday. What am I saying? Saturday, Sunday, you go and you set up the charts and start trading Monday. Just like that. I made this entry actually from the, see this, I'm saying here, this is pound yen 40-minute chart I'm showing. This was the setup. And from the 20-minute chart, I should have taken early, entry right away. But I took it, I was sleeping, so I wouldn't woke up, the move would start. But I knew that the pound yen is flying, and it will. And the immediate target was 148, 148.19. And exactly there, I closed the trade. That's where it went. The live chart, if you look at it, that's where it went, 148.19. Okay, that's a big level, big weekly low. So, and then probably it's going to drop a little bit, and I'm hoping that we can break that area, and then it will go. My next target is 63 in pound yen, by the way. So, but you need the chart. You need the chart, and you need the system like that, like this one, so you can make precise entries without negativity on your account. Okay. Even with the late entry, I came up with 170 pip, man. Okay, so this is how it is. Again, thanks for watching the video, and if you like, just go on my website, subscribe, and start trading from next week. Thanks for watching. Have a great and wonderful day and the weekend.